everyone, welcome back to my channel. So have you heard about NotebookLM? NotebookLM is kind of like a all-in-one AI studio from Google, and Google has rolled out some major updates specifically for NotebookLM. And if you want to start a faceless YouTube channel or you are considering to start on, then these updates can help you to create better, more stunning videos for free, at least for as of right now. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few major ways that you can level up your AI video creation workflow using NotebookLM. So let's start from the beginning. Just go to your browser and type NotebookLM, and then you can come here. And when you first enter NotebookLM, you can here just click on Create New to open a fresh notebook. Now, depending on the thing that you are going to do, you can pull in different types of sources, trusted information, scripts, links, files, whatever fits your workflow. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to create a video using a script that I already have. So there are a few different ways you can do this. You can upload files, you can fetch content from YouTube link, you can connect to a driver, or simply paste in the copy text. For this, I'll go with the simplest option, copy text. So I paste in the script I want to use. And this one is about the book Atomic Habits. Once you paste it, just click Insert, and it will show you on the left hand side as your source, and you can click on these three dots to rename it. I'll just call this Atomic Habits, and then you can hit save. You can also name your notebook anything you want. Now our source is ready. You can add multiple sources if you want, but for this we'll keep it simple with just one. And now here's something new that I haven't seen before. It's actually pretty powerful. You can now add images as style guidance or character reference for your video. So go ahead and click on Add Sources, and this time choose Upload File, and you can bring an image you want to use. Once it's uploaded, click on it to set it as reference. You can tick this box. Now let's get into a first major feature that you can use to create your video. On the right hand side, click on Video Overview, and let's look at the Explainer one. In previous update, you couldn't actually customize the video appearance, but now there's a custom button next to the classic options. When you click it, you will see two boxes. The first box is where you describe the visual style. The second is where you tell the AI what to emphasize. So now I'm going to paste in a detailed prompt I already prepared. In the first box, I describe things like the quality, the color, the visual style you want. More specific you are, the NotebookLM can understand your vision. In the second box, I enter the main points to be highlighted. And once everything is set, you can click Generate. It will take a few minutes to process and create the video. And now let's see the result.
So let's talk about something huge. Your biggest goals. And we're going to explore why the secret to achieving them is actually thinking small. Really, really small. Let's get into it. I mean, we've all been there, right? You set this massive, life-changing goal, full of motivation. And then, a few weeks later, it's just completely fizzled out. We tend to think that massive success requires some kind of massive action. But what if that's exactly where we're going wrong? So, check this out. The core idea we're digging into today is all about the number one.
And right away you can tell it's actually really good. And now the only issue I notice is this. Even though I gave a specific image, it sometimes creates its own version of that character. They have used it in one slide without using it in every slide, and it is not consistent. Sometimes it stays consistent, sometimes it doesn't. However, but still, this is just a beginning, and this is pretty good video. You can generate videos up to 6 to 7 minutes long, and this video is around 6 minutes. And once it's done, you can click the three dots and download it. If you are not happy with the video, you can regenerate it. Better visuals, better structure, and better result. And the best part, this is all free. So if you want to learn more about these kind of cool AI tools, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.